Welcome to Lecture 02 of Structured Programming. Today, we'll be diving into program design techniques, specifically focusing on algorithms, flowcharts, and pseudocodes. Programming uses the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, a methodical approach that ensures a successful product. The 6 stages are planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. An algorithm is a sequence of steps taken to solve a problem. It consists of a series of instructions that perform a specific task. We can describe logic using flowcharts, which are graphical, or pseudocodes, which are textual. Flowcharts use standardized symbols to visualize complex logic. Key symbols include the oval for start/stop, parallelogram for input/output, rectangle for process, diamond for decision, circle for connector, and arrow for flow line. Pseudocode is human-readable logic, written in plain language like English. It focuses on the algorithm's logic rather than programming syntax and follows a clear, logical structure, although no standard format exists. Here are 2 examples of sequential logic: adding 2 numbers and calculating the area of a rectangle. Both examples illustrate the straightforward, step-by-step flow in both pseudocode and a flowchart. These activities demonstrate math logic. The first calculates bank interest, while the second finds the average of 3 numbers. Both show how pseudocode translates into a flowchart for simple calculation. Activity 04 explores decision logic using a voting eligibility example. The pseudocode uses an if/else structure, and the flowchart uses a diamond symbol to represent the conditional decision of whether the age is 18 or greater. Activity 05 demonstrates complex decisions for student exam eligibility. The logic requires an attendance of 80% and marks of 40% or more. This is visualized in the flowchart using a single decision point with 2 conditions. Thank you for watching Lecture 02. To review, ensure you can differentiate between algorithms and flowcharts. For practice, try creating flowcharts for daily routines, like making tea.